Hi guys, today I've got a 2-minute messy chignon for long hair. To start, divide the hair in half and secure each half into a low ponytail. Apply some wax spray all over the head. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Then gently pinch and pull at the hair to create more volume and texture. Grab a strand of the elastic band and we're going to twist it and pull the ponytail through, but we're only going to pull it through halfway to create a loop. Repeat on the opposite ponytail, so pull it halfway through to create another loop. Then we're going to pop a couple of fingers through the middle of the loop on the right hand side. Grab the left hand loop and bring it all the way through the hole. Stretch it out so it covers the bottom of the neck. And then secure all the way around the outside with as many bobby pins as needed. Take those tail ends on the right hand side, twist them towards the head and bring them up and over the top of the bun. Secure with a couple of bobby pins and then add some texture spray. I'll pop this in the description as well. Then gently pinch and pull for some more volume and texture. And repeat on the left hand side, so twist it towards the head, bring it up and over the top of the bun, tucking the ends and secure with pins. Add your texture powder and pinch and pull. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.